All right, my mic wasn't connected. Hello, Sherry G. Appreciate you pulling up. All right, peace out. $54. Even getting up there. What's a deconstructor in C++ and what is it called? A deconstructor in C++ is a function that is called with the deletion of an object or when an object goes out of scope, and it's usually used to clean up like variables and things like that. It shows a special member function of a class with the same name as class but preceded by the title. It's called automatically if the object goes out of scope or it's deleted. Yep. What is a float data type in C++ and how much space is it typically used? A float data type in C++ stands for floating point integer. It typically uses 4 bytes of data, like 6 or 7 decimal percent. What is IOStream used for in C++? IOStream in C++ is used to read and write data, and you use the forward characters to write the forward carrots to write data, and the backward characters to read data. The forward characters to read data, and the backward characters to write data. Yep, I got it. What is passed by reference to C++ and how does it work? Function is passed by reference in C++ if the input parameter is a memory address instead of a variable, and yeah, as a memory address instead of the variable. So if a value is changed in the pass by reference function, that memory address's value also changes, opposed to if you pass by value, the original memory address of that variable is not changed. Pass by reference means a function parameter references the original variable. Yes. Yeah, like fine. What does the scope resolution operator do in C++? Especially when defining a class functions outside of a class. Especially when defining class functions outside of a class. The scope resolution operator can do 2 things. The first is allow you to reference a variable with the same name with a different scope. For example, if there's like a variable called tuna global and a variable called tuna local, tuna equals x, we'll usually just use the local one, but if you use the scope resolution operator, we use the global one. But you can also use it when defining class function outside of a class, and that is used to essentially add a member function to that class without doing it if you're not able to do it inside of the header. Belongs to that particular class. Doing outside of the CPP file. That's exactly, yes. I said header, but yeah, yes. It's that agent. Yep. What is a bool data type in C++? How to use Boolean? Bool stands for Boolean in C++, and it's used to represent true or false, usually a 1 or a 0, and it uses up 1 byte of data. Yep. What's the default argument in C++ and how do you use it? Default arguments in C++ are used inside of functions, and you call a variable and you put equal to something, and if the variable is not given if that parameter is not given a value in the function call, it would default to whatever you put into the default argument position. Yep, name equals guest. Yep. Hello name. Yep. It'll be guest and be Alice. What does the size of operator do with C++? The size of operator in C++ corresponds to the size in bytes of whatever data type the method is wrapped in. The function is wrapped in. It's an int, so it'll be 4 bytes. Size of int type. Array, and it has 10 spots, so it should take up 10 bytes. Each character is 1 byte. What is void type in C++ and what does it use? The void type means that it's nothing, and that's usually used when you have to type a function that returns nothing. The absence of a value or return a value or a type commonly used to specify a function that returns nothing. Yes, sirski. What is a header file used for when creating a new class in C++? The header file is used to initialize member variables, member functions, the deconstructor and constructor of a class. Class inference, class definition, member function, member variables, and allows you other files to know how to use the class without seeing the implementation. Oh yes, and there's public and private access specifiers. That was like 80% right. I forgot like little things. But I didn't ask those specifically, but I should have said them. What happens when you add an integer to a pointer in C++? What the fuck? Does that mean an int pointer? Is it an integer? Oh! If you add an integer to a pointer in C++, it will jump to the next position in memory. For example, if you had an array with an integer array with 3 variables or 3 ints, and the pointer is pointed to the first variable, if you do pointer +1, it should now point to the second variable, or 4 bytes over memory, because each integer is 4 bytes. I don't really like how this is like written. Seems like kind of a weird question. I know what they meant because I said I know what they meant. Let me change this. Because we got a 10-minute break. It is hot as hell in this room. I'm taking my 10-minute break. Certainly just me. Wait, did I just draw a line to show that I can go here? What's wrong with me? That's not even possible. I think that just makes the most sense. Ugh. Heaven. Keep dancing back and forth. Alright, what is different about this position? I don't know. It's probably staring me right, like smack dab in the face. There's this, but... Oh. I like looked right at the move. It was like, there's this. Black to move. Do you promote to a knight on some like crazy shit? Nah, you don't promote to a damn knight. Boom, boom. Okay, we have two pieces hanging. This looks like an awful blunder. Then he's gonna have to go here. Oh my god, I wanted to hit this move so bad. I just was not thinking straight. Yeah, no. Nigga, I don't know what to do. What the fuck? What are we supposed to do here? Yo, am I slow? It very well could be that. Like... What's supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Dead? What am I supposed to do here? Yeah, I'm clearly just not that guy, bro. I am not that guy. Check. I mean, you could hit this move. It's not very good. That's not what I meant. That is bishop h4, queen h6. Wait, no, you can't go bishop h4 because it's I'm so tired. Win the queen. People don't win a queen like this. Oh, take, yeah, take. That's not it. God damn, I'm retarded. Nigga, I don't know. I literally. Okay, okay. I saw this move. I just. Really off today. Really off today. What is this doing here? Alright, come on. This is simple. Mate in one. Mate in one. Okay. Queen G3. King H8. Oh, that's mate. It's not. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Cause take. Yeah, you're not winning that. What if he goes here? Take. Not sure how I punish that. This is definitely the move, though. Looks instinctually correct, but king runs out to E1, but I can just come up to A1, and then I run the rook. Yeah, I could win the rook like that. Jack here, yeah. Just like that, you got me. I like to move and blunder. 23 seconds. This looks so attractive. Check. Wait. That was fun while it lasted. Should I finish my Inky session? Later. Alright, time to edit this video. Bam, ba-dam, ba-dam, ba-dam. So if we find a path that doesn't have the right answer, we're gonna undo our work. We explored it, and what's the next step? Want to 3 parts of the recipe? You guys remember? Should you guys show in the lecture, I believe. Alright, this third step is to clean up, so we're gonna say path dot hop. Wait, is there was I even talking there? I don't even know. Or I don't know what he said, but yeah. All right. Audio.
So let's pass in the board.
So we're passing the row as the length of the board. So if we pass in, let's say we pass in the row of the length of the board. Let's go here. All right. So the length of this board is
Or the first row of the board.
first row of the board. I don't know what they're saying here.
Or the first row of the board.
First row of the board. In this case, that is correct. But why did you say the first row of the board?
You want to start at A, right?
Yeah, you do want to start at A. But what if this was a D here? If this was a D, where would you start then? Damn, they're like.
Wouldn't it be like at 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1?
I feel like right here. Like this probably has to get raised the volume or some. That's definitely me talking. So we're passing the row as the length of the board.
Yeah.
So if we pass in, let's say we pass in the row of the length of the board. Let's go here. All right. So the length of this board is.
Or the first row of the board, rather.
First row of the board. In this case, that is correct. But why did you say the first row of the board?
You want to start at A, right?
Yeah, you do want to start at A. Oh. Okay, so we need to.
You want to start at A, right?
Yeah, you do want to start at A. But what if this was a D here? If this was a D, where would you start then? Audio, let's get it.
Wouldn't it be like at 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1? Like, no, 2, 2, like D, like where D is currently at.
Where D is currently at? Here?
Yeah, basically, because if D takes the position of A, wouldn't it switch out?
Yeah, so let's say we had an A here. We'd start wherever the first letter of the word is. That's always where we're going to start. Yeah. The first letter of the word is. That's always where we're going to start. So how do you guys think we do that? Because it could be anywhere. The first letter of the word could be anywhere. It doesn't always have to be in 0, 0.
Do we even have some cases where it's nowhere and we return false?
Correct. Okay, so there's a little piece here. Video, audio. Put that shit up there. Correct.
So we need to do a check of some sort.
Yeah. Needs to be.
And we return false.
Correct.
So do we need to do a check of some sort?
Yes, we have to do a check. We actually have to traverse the whole grid until we find a cell that has the first letter, and then we're going to call it our traversal algorithm. Does that make sense?
Okay, in that case, we can have like an early quit if we.
What's up talking? Does that make sense?
Okay, in that case, we can have like an early quit if we don't even find that first letter.
Yeah, let's say we traverse this whole word and there was this whole board and there was no A. We would never even call our DFS function, and we just return false. Okay. Index of the first letter. Yes, correct. So to do that, we're gonna have to just traverse the whole grid. So we're gonna say for row in. How much more of this do I have? A rows and calls variable here. It's not that bad. And it could change, so it can't be like a hard coded variable. So for row and rows, then we can't do that. We have to do range rows. For call in range calls. So this is gonna iterate over every cell in the board, and we're going to say if board at row call is equal to word at the 0 index. So that says, in this case, it would be saying every time that we hit a cell that has the value A, we're going to do something. All right, and I'm sure you're asking us what we're going to do. So we're going to say DFS. We're going to pass in, see what we have here. What order is this in? So we have row call path scene I. So we're going to pass in the row, because that's where we're starting. The call. What do you guys think we should put in for the path? That out. Okay. I'm going insane. I'm going insane. I mean, going insane.
An empty list.
An empty list. Why an empty list?
We have to be updating the path.
But let's this function. Why an empty list? Why an empty list?
We would have to be updating the path.
But let's this function. Okay, continue.
No, with each call.
All right. Audio.
No, with each call.
So let's say this was empty. We pass an empty path, and we're looking for B now. When we append B, B is going to be the first letter. We just found the first letter. Yeah, so we're going to pass in board, row, column.
Yippee.
So we're going to pass in board, row.
We're so close to finishing this.
Really.
Hallelujah.
So
Praise is due to the Most High.
don't go too fast in any part, because as you can see here, like I've got to points in this many times where you do 90% of the work and you still mess up. So never think around the weeds. All right, so we have the row column, and then we have scene. What is scene? What do you guys? Same kind of idea there. So we're gonna add a set. So it's like the set operator.
Almost out of the weeds.
So it's like the set operator, and we're going to add row.
All right.
Column. Because if we found the first letter, that means that we've already seen that very that cell. We don't want to ever go back there again. Set the first one. Beautiful. That was amazing, Junior. So we have DFS. We have this. Now we can actually use the same trick that we used right here. We're going to say if this function call returns true, which means we started at this point, we traversed it, and it returned true. That means we found the word. So we say if DFS row column board with the current letter and scene of this return true, because that means that we found the word. And we should just be able to do at the end of this return false. In that same case that I think Lauren brought up earlier, that if this whole board doesn't have the first letter, it would never hit any of these statements, never run this function, and it would just return false. So as far as I'm saying, I think we did. Oh, we forgot one thing. I, scene, and I. And I's just going to start off at 1 because 0 would be the first index, and we just found it here, so we're going to start at the second index. Row column board. Oh, oh, thank you so much, guys. A little typo there. We're going to start at the second index. Row column board. Row column board.
In range, you just add row.
Oh, thank you so much, guys. A little typo there. All right, so
Hey, that's a cool ass name. Cool ass
does
name.
that work first try? Yeah, so we could be tricky sometimes. Let's see what we got. Invalid syntax. Okay, what happened? Oh, I had 1 equal sign instead of 2 equal signs. Try that one more time. Ooh, what happened here? What happened here?
I think we just like forgot to indent.
Output false expected true. Output false expected true. If DFS row column. So we have the row, we have the column. We have our path, which is a. Is that missing a? I don't think that's. Yeah, it's not missing anything. All right, yeah, no problem, no problem. What do we? I thought it's a simple mistake. I think we traced this pretty well. Line 18. If yes. It's not missing anything. All right, yeah, no problem, no problem. What do we? I thought it's a simple mistake. I think we traced this pretty well. Line 18. If
Audio, pump that up. Okay, we're so.
Should line 18 be nested, so indented?
Line 18. If yes. Okay, so yep. That was the issue, I believe so. And this function. All right, so we should be good. Let's try it one more time. Very good find. Fine. Yep. That was the issue, I believe so. And this function. All right, so we should be good. Let's try it one more time. Very good find. Fine. Line 20, 28, indented. I'm not. Wait, why? I'm not sure. Why should it be indented?
Oh, never mind.
Let's submit. Let's see what happens. 28. Line 20. Should be good. Let's try it one more time. Very good find. Fine.
Wait.
Could be indented as well.
Line 20.
28.
28. Indented. I'm not. Wait, why? I'm not sure. Why should it be indented?
Oh, never mind.
Let's submit. Let's see what happens. You could be right. I'm not 100% sure. Oh, there we go. We solved the problem.
Yeah. Oh man, we are done. We're done.
Relatively fast, right in the middle of the pack. How do you guys feel about backtracking or word search? Like, how do you guys feel like walking into a problem like this? Nice.
Junior Tank.
Yo, he had the fucking coolest name ever, bruh. Where are you from, man? That's a fucking cool name.
Just like your screen work.
Nice,
Very
nice.
good explaining it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you guys for everyone that contributed and like stayed here. I really appreciate the contributing. It makes the class cool. You guys are doing that.
Please screenshot the code with the chat.
Screenshot the code. Sure. I could. I'm actually recording right now. If anybody's interested, I could post this video walkthrough on YouTube or something. If anybody's interested. If anybody needs to come back.
That would be awesome. I would love that.
Okay, no problem. I feel like from here on, screenshot the code. Sure. I'll just put a little like text. Full code in. Make that like bold and a little bigger. Uh, I think that's better.
The code with the chat.
Screenshot the code. Sure. I could. I think there was like some Q&A. I'm actually recording right now. If anybody's interested, I could post this video walkthrough on YouTube or something. If anybody's interested. I don't think anybody asked any really crazy questions. We solved the problem. Does anybody have any more questions about backtracking before we end off for today? Oh man, that is insane. That is pretty much the whole. I don't think I'll be using any of this. This little thing's in the way. I can't open a new tab. Okay. I already have a video of the. I think like none of this stuff is useful. Cut that out. Oh, I could have just done that. Oh, that's not how that works. Okay. Two X speed. Pretty. Where does it stop being 2x speed? Two X speed, 2x speed, 2x speed. 2x speed. From here forward, it's all 2x speed. I hope that's how that goes. Gonna make that 1x speed. Okay, beautiful. Oh no. I hope that my text didn't like get fucked up. We pretty much gotta like.
Please screenshot the code with the chat.
Screenshot the code. Sure. I can. Oh wait, no, it didn't get fucked up. Okay. Okay, so we want to kind of get. From here all the way, all the way. Wait, no, that's subsets to here. Compound clip. Let's go 27 minutes.
Given an m by n grid of characters bold
That's
and a
absolutely
string
lovely.
word, return true if the word exists in the grid. The word can be constructed from letters sequentially.
Is there any way? How do you have like a? I don't know what this is. I'm just gonna delete that. I think it's a default text. I'm so convinced I said default text. Uh, let's see. Just add this. It should just be like in random ass places. If you made it this far, you should just like subscribe, you know? Oh, we gotta make this video. We gotta where's chroma key? Where the hell is chroma key? There we go. There we go.
What do we need first? What's the at the top of every recursive algorithm?
You need a base case.
Yo, my nigga. Okay, so put one at the end too. Forget luck. Whole trees lecture is just gonna be like.
Will you share the code with the chat? Could you share the code with the chat?
Can you screenshot the code? Sure. I could
If you made it. How do I do like a little voiceover? I'm not sure how to do that. How do you add a voiceover? Oh, maybe the voiceover button. Wait, what the fuck? Why does my mic sound like that? How does this work? What is this doing? What is it voicing over?
can you screenshot the code? Sure. I could
All right, hello everyone. So if you made it this far in the video and you learned something new, oh fuck, I don't know what I'm talking about. All right, so everyone, all right, hello. If you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate your time. And if you learned anything new, be sure to drop a sub and like the video. It really means a lot. Peace. Okay, we got that. I'm just gonna put this like down here. We got to get like an image. I'm just gonna use a Pepe image because use something. Pepe. Yep, that's good enough for me. Plop that bitch right in there. All right, hello. If you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate your time. And if you learned anything new, be sure to drop a sub and like the video. It really means a lot. Peace. All right.
or hello, if you made it this far in the video, I really, really appreciate your time. And if you learned anything new, be sure to drop a sub and like the video. It really means a lot. Peace.
Good enough for me. All right, so now that we did that, now we have to.
Like, let's see, letter A, and we know that the next letter is B, but we have to tell the function that we're looking.
We're gonna have to click range.
How we had the start variable, so it's essentially the same idea there. All right. Next, in all backtracking or recursive algorithms, what do we need first? What's the first thing that is at the top of every recursive algorithm?
I think I put like a picture here somewhere. Here it is. Let's get put on quick.
Spell the word yes, Y-E-S, and
Perfect. That's so sexy. Okay, so this is 27 minutes. Leet code lecture word search full walkthrough. Okay, that's beautiful. We're gonna let that. Only 25 minutes too to finish that up. Ooh, okay, we did that. Do I want to split the trees lecture into parts? Okay, so we're gonna have to post these two videos. We need to post like 3 videos today. Absolutely insane. Not the most insane thing though. Alright, so if we're gonna post a video, we need to. It's already 4:30, dude. Training for Tokyo World Champs? You know I'm a sucker for a video like this. Come on, baby. We need lecture. Live subset walkthrough. I don't know why there's 2 of these there. Okay. Wait. What? No, it's uploading. It's because I'm trying to create a new video. The trees lecture. And we need this one that we just got here. Okay. Common sense would tell us to close that out. It's pretty distraction filled. All right, and work on this lecture. Work on this lecture. Okay. Yeah, that sounds really, really cool. I gotta take a fucking piss, dude. Oh damn, we gotta add like timestamps. No, that's not very fun. Wait, I definitely need to add timestamps. I don't know how to do that. Actually, I got a pee so bad, but I have to add timestamps to these videos. How to add time stamps. Oh, 52 seconds? You know I love that. I gotta go pee. BRB.
Given an n by n grid of characters board and a string word, return true if the word exists in the grid. The word can be constructed from letters sequentially adjacent cells, where adjacent cells are horizontally and vertically neighboring. The same letter cell may not be used more than once. All right, so when I see a problem like this, I'm thinking it's definitely backtracking because we have to go down and explore multiple paths because we're not going to know if we can spell this word without getting to the end of the word. What if we want to spell the word yes, Y-E-S, and we see Y-E, and we follow that path, but the next letter is D, Y-E-D. Now you have to backtrack back up and try another path. Does that make sense on how this problem may be conceptually like a backtracking problem? Just to determine that from the problem statement and looking at the test cases? What is the first thing? Does anybody have an idea what's the first thing we should do to solve a problem like this? There's no dumb ideas either. Like if you any idea is good, just to get the gears turning.
Wouldn't we usually like check the example that's given to us and then see how like we can input that? Because that's what I would do. Like after reading the
All right.
question.
All right, perfect. All right, so let's look at this first example here. What do you? So the word is A B C C E D, and we have this grid here. What do you, how can we formulate this answer? How can we know that that word is in the grid?
We can basically like go through each one of them. And if it's like backtracking, um, wouldn't we like do like the down and right? But then again, A B, yeah. But the only thing is like if we like were to like try to use like the backtracking that like from the previous slides, the only thing is like we wouldn't be able to go to B. So I'm trying to
We
like
go to B from where A?
look like because remember like when I was showing the first slide, it'd be like
Mm-hmm.
down or right. I don't know if it's like specifically like restricted to those specific movements, but it does make sense to like go to like A, B, C, C, and E. However, D is the only concern for me right now. Like if we're like try to like go through it using backtracking.
All right, that does make sense. But in the problem statement, it says you can go horizontally or vertically. So I would assume we could go to the left or up,
Alright.
because horizontally just be horizontal vertical, unless it specifically states
Back.
that.
We gotta figure out
I'd
a
stay away from going backwards if that was possible. But definitely. So
Okay.
All right, now the editing is pretty much done. We need to upload another video. Bang. That's 3 videos down. Okay. How to add timestamps. That's what people care about. 50 seconds.
How
I
to
love
add
you.
timestamps in your YouTube video.
Thank you,
First,
babe.
watch your video and note down the key sections. You'll need the exact time each new section begins. Write these times down along with a brief description of each section. Now, go to YouTube Studio and find the video you want to add timestamps to. Click on Details and scroll down to the video description box. Start typing your timestamps in the description box. You'll format them as the time followed by a space and your description. Then, simply save your changes to add all your timestamps. YouTube will understand your description, then add timestamps to your video for more clickable links that viewers can use to jump to specific parts of your video. And just like that, you've made your videos more navigable and user-friendly with timestamps.
Okay. That's gonna be a lot of work. Not really. I think it's worth it, I guess. Okay. What's the number? What is the number? I probably could just check here. It is. What is the number? I was reading the question. 79. 7. That's lovely. 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 Damn. Timestamps suck. Timestamps suck. Oh, we did not go over complexity analysis. My channel link, that seems so weird to do that. Because, you know, I don't think I need to do that. I don't know how that works. Does it follow me on LinkedIn? I guess if you really want. Hot as fuck in this room, dude. Alright, das mal Schlange. I think we need to, like, I think that's pretty good. The timestamps are a little, like, messed up, but we're gonna do that. Wait, don't tell me that. What am I looking at here? Oh, I guess it's impossible. I guess it's. I'm a little confused here. Okay, I just gotta let that finish, like, I guess. Okay, it's all there. We need to make timestamps. That's so not fun. That is so not fun. It's not the worst. Okay. I'm gonna like. What am I supposed to do? I can't even watch the video to know where the timestamps are. I could start making thumbnails, I guess. Yeah, I guess I could do that. It's like a good use of my time. Uh, Like advanced Wojak. It's like I don't know. Is there a tech bro Wojak? Like with the MacBook and shit? This is really the creative process. Uh, is there like this is like this is perfect. This is so perfect. Where should I call that? Study Pepe. Okay. All right, so we're gonna do the trees one first. How do we get people interested in trees? That is that is I think some colors help. You know, this is the crop button, right? Is this crop? Boop. Okay. Um, trees. Uh, here's and it's PNG, which is like amazing. I bet you I could like put a binary tree on his that's like too big. That's way too big. I need something smaller. Like just a couple of nodes or something. Actually no. Got some put this right here. Put this right here. Yo, this is like the worst. I have no clue. Um uh text. We're just gonna call this trees. We call that trees. Kind of gotta like put it on the paper. Something like that. I don't know. No, not like that. That's actually like that's actually pretty good. That's actually pretty good. That's actually pretty good. Something like that. Like that. And add an image. And then he's gonna be thinking because he's gonna be like he's gonna be like DFS. Uh BFS. BFS. Post order. Pre-order. In order. Something like that. Uh, Something like that. Like, make them a little bit bigger. Yes, yes, yes. I think I need like big fat text that says like maybe like I don't know. Oh, it's my break. It's my break. We're getting a lot of work done. Trees. How do you make that like? Should it be like everything you need to know about trees or something? Master trees fast. Yo, Ongor, trees explained. That sounds good. Oh, master trees fast. I think that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Nah, I kind of like that, like how it was before. Like that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That should be good. This is like an in 10 minutes problem. It's currently time to play chess. I gotta make dinner too. I got shit to do. I beat 2 Norwegians back to back. Let's go, baby. Looks like some mate in one business. Can we cover? How can we cover? What can we do? This would be a like. Nah, it wouldn't be. G2 is a thing. What happens if I go here? $95 check. King G2. King G2. Then what? Is there another check? This is like the only check I see. I mean, obviously, losing my rook is absolutely insane. Losing my rook sounds nuts. I really think this is the move. King G2. Alright, I knew that was the move. Check? Take? Check? Black, 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 black. Bro, I have no clue. Is that a fucking move? There's no way. Rook G1? King G2? Knight F3. Check, and we're defending the rook. King G3? G4 check? Is that it? But G4 check. He's like open reign to just go to G3 though. I don't think sacking the bishops a good idea. I really don't. I really don't. Because this just clearly isn't a check mate. What do we need to do? There's a move we have to play. Like, what if take, check, take? And I can't do it. There's some fucking check. I gotta move back here. You kind of get his queen in here. Like that's not player. There should be like a deadly. There's like a deadly move. Is there any other checks? This was the move. Oh, the rook. I literally saw that whole entire sequence, but it wasn't clear enough in my head to determine that was mate. My spatial reasoning is not. It's not A1, as the kids would say. White to move. White to move. White. That's just me. Okay. I mean, that's promotion. What? That's a weird puzzle. Like, I thought there was some type of trick to it. Now, if I take this bishop, I lose my bishop? No, I don't. Is that not... Why does he want to do that? Oh, my queen. But, take... Queen takes... How is that good for you? That was not any type of advanced calculations. Okay, this rook is pinned, so that's not going anywhere. Just check. Check. Block. Take. Oh. Rook A7. Come on. That's just like too good to be true almost, right? It's like, this is a double check. Oh, yeah. Few more than two sleep right now. We got 2 more minutes in our break. Black to move. What do we got here? The 4 pawns. Okay. I don't know. Rook C5. What is? Oh, this is one of these. What is the smart decision to make? If we go toward, I don't know. I feel like that's just like you can't. Well, you could come back down here. That's just like I'm just like fucked up, right? Pretty sure I have to go towards him. Yep. 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 We check first. Whoa, this is funky, hunky dory. What did he do that? I'm pretty sure that's. You're supposed to check first. It's just me. What happens the other way? Oh, he could just run away. I'm guessing. Yeah. All right, back to grind to and not having fun here. You have a white background. Look at some thumbnails of like people that like. Let's just go to YouTube and look at thumbnails. What are these people doing? Not many people have white backgrounds. That's crazy. Yeah, not many people have white background. Maybe like something like that, but he has his face in it. Hmm. Dark colors, blue green gradient. Where can I find YouTube thumbnail? Background? Can we get like spell like I'm having mental issues? Something a dark brown blue green gradient. I like Mental Outlaw. I like his thumbnails. Okay, so he uses like he doesn't use white backgrounds. He uses like this one has a white background. He actually has like some orange in there. He has red backgrounds, blue backgrounds, orange backgrounds. Okay, so I think the popping colors are going to be good. I'm not sure how well that works. Put this at like the all the way in the bottom. Not you. I don't really like that. I think something more like let's try this one. Trying out my YouTube thumbnail game. Can we get something less ridiculous looking? Yeah, I think the blue and the green from Pepe, like really that's good, that's good. White or yellow text, so we're gonna need some like we're gonna have to make this like white. Yeah, I think so. Having it bold too. That's sexy. Okay. How do you get that fat clickbait thumbnail? Highlight? What does that mean? I don't want that. Get that out of there. No, don't underline it. Oh, italicized? That sounds cool. Can we add some like shadow or something? I don't know. How do you have an animation on a thumbnail? Is that a thing? How do you add some life to the text? Add highlighted behind the text. All right. They made highlights. I literally don't understand what highlighting does. I mean, I guess I get it, but like, why is that a premium feature? It's, I don't know. Is there like a That's weird. All right, so let's just look at all the text we could have. What's like? Nah, I don't know. That looks pretty good to me. Whatever this is. Color white is fine. Spacing? No, that's fine. Bend? Edit? Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go. Blend modes? Oh, they just made my shit disappear. Okay, that's nice. Stroke? Okay, perfect. Perfect. That's what I'm looking for. That's beautiful. And let's add some shadow. Eh. Yeah, a little bit blur. I like the blur. Opacity a little bit down. That is absolutely perfect. This one could definitely get that editing too. I don't know about stroke. I don't think it needs stroke. Maybe like a little shadow. No shadow, no shadow. Trees. It actually looks pretty cool. We need to turn the opacity like all the way down, blur like trees. Now this image here, that's so stupid. You're making me pay to remove the background. I mean, I guess I get it. It's like software, you know, you should pay for your software. But no, thank you, bro. Okay, that does not have a background either. It takes like you could do this for free in so many other places. Let's just move this out for now and grab this since it's like a PNG. No, it doesn't like it doesn't capture like the feeling, you know? We need to the image URL. I don't even know what problem that was. I don't know where I got this. Am I cooked? It's like, yo, you're really gonna gatekeep to some IV? I said Reddit like an idiot. It's basically this picture here. I just needed like PNG arise. Failed to download image. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that lovely? Copy image link. Is that not how that works? Alright, it's doing something this time. Yo, absolutely lovely. Do I actually have to download it? Bro, wait, where is this picture being stored? Like, I don't know if I want to fucking download it. Kind of annoying. I have to download this stuff. Okay, it's DSA screenshot, yeah. Alrighty. And just like that, we got our PNG version. It actually wasn't that bad. This site's pretty good. Remove BG. Honestly, you're gonna get like a it's a useful tool for editing. I like you. Uh, that looks good to me. Only thing I would do is like, oh no. Someone's calling me. Hello? Alrighty. Uh, old. Okay, so I think this is a good thumbnail. To be real with you. Leak code, yeah, I'm just gonna save that there. I love Mental Alloys. Good videos. Next, we had to go to the trees lecture. Oh, brother. What happened to all the videos, man? I got 5 views. You know, we'll take that. We'll take that. And this is very sad. This is increasingly sad. We're like 99% there, and they won't let me. Like, where's all my drafts? Please. Low-key depressing, can't hold you. Oh, I gotta.
Big.
I want to post the video, but how long? I've been streaming for 2 hours and 6 minutes. I've never. No content available. Wow, that actually really sucks. Am I gonna have to re-upload the video? It's not that big a deal, but it is a little annoying. Okay, they're coming along. Made for kids? I don't think. I guess kids are allowed to learn backtracking. But if that's what you're doing as a kid, you're built different. Where are the rest of my videos, man? I legit just don't. You're actually just gone? Dude, that's like. All the drafts pop up on my phone though. Oh, I just got an error. I guess. I'm not allowed to make videos. That's do I just fucking upload the same video? I mean, it's kind of stupid that I have to do that. Hello? Hello?
Hi,
How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm okay.
What you doing?
I'm uploading my lecture on YouTube. If you ever need someone to study what you know, you can just watch that lecture in its entirety. It's good stuff.
Oh, you can study me in real life.
Just put on one of my videos. It's the same thing. It's just like me there.
It's not.
It is. It's the same thing.
You're so beautiful.
You said
No,
what?
it's not. Your video is not gonna be like, oh, you're so beautiful.
It's literally me. It literally is the same thing.
No.
Whatever you say, girl.
I missed you.
Oh yeah, I feel like I haven't seen you in a little bit.
Uh-huh. I miss your hugs.
Oh, me too.
What you gonna do after your lecture upload?
Keep studying and doing my thing, and then go to sleep.
Study together?
Wait, no, eat food. I gotta make some fettuccine.
Yeah.
Cause, wait, I don't know if I'm making fettuccine. That sounds like a lot of work,
Yeah.
but it sounds so tasty.
Study together.
Uh,
Are you soloing today?
am I what?
Soloing.
You know me. I'll be chilling.
Answer my question.
I'm just kind of uploading a video. I'm just doing a lot of editing and stuff.
Okay.
What about you? What do you gotta study?
Everything.
Everything like what?
Pictures from like the past 2 days.
Oh damn, that sounds like a blast.
It's a lot.
Not for you. You're so smart.
No. I haven't really been paying too much attention in class.
Why?
Can't focus.
Oh.
I'm just so tired because it's just so long.
Oh, I see.
Wanna study another time then?
Yeah, I'm gonna see you this weekend.
Okay.
Or Thursday. Or Friday. Or Saturday or Sunday. Or Friday. Or Saturday. Or Sunday. You wanna hang out on Thursday?
Maybe after 12:30, so
Don't you gotta go home and get your clothes, right?
just bring it to school.
Oh. Okay. Alright.
Uploading.
Yeah, I might have to. Damn. I wish I could have made the fettuccine with you.
That would have been yummy.
But oh yeah, if you bring some saltfish. Wait, oh yeah, you should bring some saltfish. How much does it cost? I'll give you the cash.
I forgot. I'll have to go to the store and see.
It's close by you?
Yeah, it's like a couple streets over.
Oh yeah, so if you pull up on Thursday, bring some saltfish.
Okay.
We can make that. It's always so tasty.
It is.
Almost as tasty as something else.
Quack.
I'm on stream, I'm studying, so anyway, got a blast.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Wait, oh yeah, just open up the stream, because I'm like right there. You can talk to me in chat.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Give me a kiss.
Mwah.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, boys, how? I lost my upload. This is so sad. What the actual, like, what the fudge? Is it legit, like, This is kind of sad, low key, man. Where the hell is my... I lost my video. What the hell? I think I might have to just restart.
Hi there. First, I want to say welcome.
Yo,
Level
shut up.
Empty caches. That's how you clear your cache on Safari. But if you're in Google Chrome, let me open Google Chrome for you. To do that in Google Chrome, you need to click on Settings, Privacy and Security.
Yo, I'm about to off myself. What do they want from me? Clear my cache. So is the video... This is such a... So fucking retarded, dude. Like, whatever. I'm just gonna re-upload it, cause whatever. That is a little silly though. But you can't let stuff like that take too much time. Just gotta regroup, keep it pushing. What did I name this thing? Everything you need to know about trees. Master trees and data structures. Complete guide to trees. Trees exciting. Is this a good title? Master tree data structure full 45-minute lecture. Probably link. I should probably link a bunch of my problems that I... Okay. What's a tree? Alright, so I need to make time stamps for the I don't think you could watch this. Yeah, it does not. Let me do that. Okay. Let me pause this. Let me open up the good old trees data structures. Oh, brother. This is not any fun.
Be able to solve all the problems you need to in all the interviews. So first, let's see. What is a tree? A tree is an undirected graph with no cycles, and a tree has n nodes and n minus 1 edges. And for anyone that's new to trees, a node are these little dots here that look like little circles, and the connections between them are called the edges. Binary tree is a tree data structure. So far, is there any questions? Let me make sure I have. Do I have the chat pulled up so I can see everything? I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, I think we're good. I'm not sure how I can see the chat though. It's on only one monitor. All right, next. The chat pulled up.
124. Zero to 124 is like I'm so confused on timestamps. Like my favorite. Oh, hi. We're trying to get. You like my thumbnail? Master trees fast. I think it's pretty good. I like it. It's Pepe Le Glasses. You're my favorite viewer.
If you want to add time codes or what YouTube calls as chapters to your video in Google search, something that we found is when you are searching on Google, YouTube is actually using these chapters to send people directly to a specific part of your video. Now, this is another note to add is if you don't have this 000 piece, these are still going to be clickable, but they're not going to show up here. So
Oh, you need to have the 000 piece. Okay. Wait. Okay, okay.
I can see everything. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, I think we're good. I'm not sure how I can see the chat though. It's on only one monitor. All right, next. All right, first we're gonna go through the basic tree types, and I'd say the most common tree you'll see in interviews is a binary tree. 9 left I. Why would I store values in 8? And every subtree follows this ordering. As you can see here, all these follow the BST ordering.
At 3 minutes, like.
All right, the next type of tree. Does anybody know?
Maybe 2, 5, 11, 4.
Correct. Nice. All right, graph.
Wait, what?
And any node that has 0 children is considered a leaf node. So in this graph, what are all the leaf nodes in this graph? Does anybody know?
Maybe 2.
Binary tree basics.
3 and to the right is 10. 3 is to the left because it is less than 8, and 10 is to the right. And to give a quick example why this is true, 7, we if n traversals are 15 nodes, 6 or greater than this. It is less than 15, it's going to be again extremely fast. Research tree follows this ordering. As you can see here, all these follow the BST ordering.
The 311. All right, so 311. BST. BST. Wait, can I just feed it my Tran? There's 9 minutes left. That's like a lot, dude. Eight minutes left. Dude, I just like, this is so much work. Otter AI. How is it at 10 minutes now? I just want like time codes. It might be faster for me to manually do it. It might be faster for me to do it. Is there a playback speed button? Yep, this is the trees. Loading. Okay. I've spent so much time. I don't want a new version of CapCut, bro. I don't. I don't. Okay, we need to make time codes for this whole video, which is a pain. One use left? Dude, captions used to be free. Captions used to be free. CapCut is, I don't know, the CCP is draining me for all my money. I'm not doing that. It takes too long.
What is a tree? What is a tree? Okay, so after what is a tree, what do we do next? Binary tree. So at 133. All right. Binary tree. I would say up to like 306. Perfect.
It's ordering.
What are we going to next? Complexity. $328. All right, all right. So I go over this for a while. Yeah, we just kind of go over that for a while. 953. Nothing happened between. I just went over that for a long time. They went over the binary tree. 1356. We go over that. Okay. It's not that bad. Wait, I need to finish this. Pre-order 20.2. I should probably turn on my lights. I look like, am I brighter now? Is it brighter? All right, so 2240 DFS pre-order. Uh, 2528. No, 26.
Wait. Pre-order. We go straight to in order. 2611. $26.11 DFS in order. Thank God. Okay. Post order right there. 2904. Uh, Wait, what did I say here? BFS 3459. BFS. That's kind of pretty much it, honestly. Okay, that's actually pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Done with that. I should probably. Wait, where's my channel? It's me. And that's actually it. That's actually pretty solid. I think I should probably link some problems that I feel like would help. Um, right. That's one. Another easy one. $63. Easy.
Lead code 721. Easy. Do I have any more tree problems? I think, is that it? Oh, invert a binary tree. Binary tree. Max. Holy shit, okay. Almost done. We're almost done. Praise due to Allah. Alhamdulillah. That's not actually linking the video, which is a little sad. Okay, so we need to. Okay, it's actually really good. That's actually so fucking. That's actually so good. That's so good. Oh man. I gotta piss. I gotta piss so bad. I gotta pee. BRB. Okay. I should be taking a break right now. Yeah, I'll take my 10-minute break. I'm not gonna like work myself to death. Even though I'm so eager to get it on. Let's play a game of chess, you know what I'm saying? My favorite pastime. Took you 11 seconds to think of that. A little slow. 1236 Canadian. Can we take them on is the question. Okay. I feel like the logical option is just to cancel. Take. Take. What the fuck? What's happening right now? Take. I mean. Like, I don't understand. What is this guy doing? Took me 24 seconds to think of that move. I think I'm not down time yet, but my next move should be pretty obvious. I don't think he's gonna do anything too like, you know, like yo, you're fucked, you know. Okay, rook d1. Okay. Alright. Knight f5. I want him to take. Okay, that's interesting. That's very interesting. He has two defenders here now. I usually don't take. He's not gonna wait. Take. I feel like almost forced to. The question is, do I do it? Do I do it to him? You're not supposed to take with the pawn because you have the isolated pawn. That's like bad practice. But I like taking with the pawn because we take the full center. But I'm gonna try something new this time. I'm gonna try something new. That's usually like the last words before total destruction. But you know. Can we like go full fianchetto? What if he goes here? That would be fucking tragic. That would be tragic. I'm not sure what's going on here. $29 seconds on that move. Okay. Do I castle immediately? He's gonna have to defend this. I can still do it. No real need to. Just castle. But definitely does weaken his. He's pretty much forced to take. And that gives me an open file. I'll take that all day. He's not forced to take. He can push. But if he pushes, that just kind of locks up the game. Which is like... Like, we're just gonna play on a super locked position. Definitely interesting. Definitely interesting. Rook e8. It's probably my next move. Today went like kind of well. Already 6 o'clock though. I'm gonna have to make dinner soon. Healthy body, healthy mind, healthy all that stuff. Up on time, which is lovely. No stay forever. No dinner for me. Forever is crazy. Okay, I knew that was coming. I fucking knew that was coming, dude. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. This guy is just uber pooper annoying. Do we kick the bishop? Where does he go? All the way back? I'm waiting. Where's my dinner? Honestly, just kick the bishop. Like, get your bum ass out of here, boy. Take your ass back to D2 and stare at my pawn. This is not very obvious on how we're gonna break through. Moments like this, I just... There's 1, 2, 3 defenders there. It's just like... I'm not ready for that type of smoke. I'm really not. I'm really not. I feel like he's gonna push this pawn. That's like... He just seems like he's really into that. I can't say I'm the same, but I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Is this an idiotic move? I don't know. Fuck it. I'm doing it. This pawn is weak. I'm going straight in for it. Okay, we kind of... not even like I kind of expected that. I knew that for a Findy fact was gonna happen. I need to get a bishop. Hold up. We got something. We got something good going. We got something good going. Ah! That's just doubled pawns. That's just double pawns. I'm taking that all day. Double isolated pawns with that? Like... I'll take that all day. I'll take that all day. Double isolated pawns. Like, come on now. He's gonna have a weird night now? And now I can just win this pawn so easily. Yep, he's falling apart at the seams. Couple pawn. Maybe he's gonna try. I'm not sure what he's gonna try. This is defended. This is defend. I think we're fine. I see something like that. That's like a slight issue. That is an issue. Let's just move here. Knight b3 is coming. We're gonna have to think of something. Okay, that is not the move. No, I don't think. I have to just defend. I have to defend. Because after knight b3, he's gonna kick my bishop. Oh, okay. He does that instead. He could push. I don't know. That seems rather annoying. I'm expecting to push, yeah. Still not an issue yet. Still not an issue yet. And this pawn is, I think it's going to be pretty weak. It's completely. But we're down 30 seconds. I think it's time to get the king into the game. King g6, because obviously c7's coming. Is that a problem? I don't know and I don't care. Let's go. Let's go. Bang it out. We banging it out. h5? h5g, king g6? There's some potential to get some pretty strong mates. Okay. 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 He wants to take. What does that get on? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that gets you. Am I fudged? Am I fudged? I don't think so. He has this open lane, it's pissing me off. My rook is, like, being abused. I'm about to walk into a death trap? I don't think so. I think we're still good. This is not a move. Jeez. He's gonna win a pawn. Take your pawn. We trade. The 2 minutes. He still has that 30-second lead on me, though. Absolutely not good. Absolutely, positively not good. What's he trying to do here? Make sure not to fall into any like stupid ass traps, bro. What is it? What is this? Dead. Is there any checks on me? I don't believe there is. 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 We are fine. We are fine. Push that pawn. Push it. Like, there's no way. There's no way. You're not beating me like this. No. I have to take. I'm still up. I am still up. I don't care what nobody says. Perfect. 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 The red carpet is lined up for me. I don't. Wrong move, buddy. Don't move back. That'll just really seal your fate. Yep, it's over. You can't catch this. It's impossible. Let me not show you what you could have done. Like right here was you should not have taken this pawn. You should have you couldn't have. Yeah, you're just screwed. Honestly, just resign. Game reviews. Let's see how we played. Whew, stressful game, you know. A 1,000. Oh, I played so bad.
This opening move is popular. Their knight. You've pinned your opponent.
That's not the best move.
Developing the knight and increasing influence in the center. Their
All
knight
right.
comes. This adds protect your opponent. You they develop.
That was not the best move.
Developing the bishop and increasing influence in the center.
I never see that.
Your
Like,
opponent, you followed defending. You followed a great opening principle.
what was the best move?
Bishop is kicked by
Yeah,
a pawn,
immediately
must now
kick?
move or be
Okay.
capped. Defending. You allowed the opponent to win a pawn by overloading a defender.
How? Take. That's a crazy line. That's a crazy line.
You allowed the opponent to win a pawn by overloading a defender.
Yo, because this pawn can't defend both. Yeah, that makes sense. Do we kick, right?
This kicks a bishop.
Excellent. Kicking
kicks
this
a
one's
bishop.
good. What was the best move? Don't have the same problem.
Defending their hand. You allowed the opponent to win a pawn by overloading a defender.
Don't know if I would have
They
played
overlooked an
that. I
opportunity
mean,
to
clearly.
permitted the opponent to win a pawn by overloading a defender.
Yeah, I'm still in this predicament. He didn't see it either, though. Or just immediately
This kicks
kick.
a bishop. This move gives you the opportunity. This move, you capture.
Taking's back. Oh my god.
This wins.
I fucking knew it. I always play that move. I always play that move. But I tried something new this time.
This move doesn't. Your better option was to develop further.
Yeah, moving the king is like, that's silly.
Castling gets the king out of the center of the. One more piece joins the action.
Oh, okay.
Advancing this, your opponent slipped up, but you didn't take advantage of it.
I saw this. Is this what you're talking about? No. What's the He slipped up? He slipped up? What does that do? I don't understand that one. I don't know how that's a slip up.
You permitted the opponent to kick a knight.
I'm not even gonna pretend to understand what's going on
You allowed
there.
the opponent to win a pawn. They overlooked an opportunity. You allowed the opponent to win a pawn by overloading a defender.
Oh my god, we're still in the same predicament. Yep.
They overlooked not the best. With this great, you overlooked an opportunity to tactically win a pawn.
Tactically win a pawn here. There's 1, 2, 3 defenders of the d4 square. Tactically win a pawn.
This misses an opportunity to tactically win a pawn.
Tactically win a pawn. There's no way.
This loses a knight. This misses an opportunity to tactically win a pawn. This is the way to win a pawn.
What pawn are we winning? Oh, because he takes back. Yeah, I should have been sharper. Should have been.
You lost your advantage, and now the position is balanced.
What should I have played? What should I have played?
This is a fair move.
Nah, no. The pawn break, dude? That's so scary, though. I don't know. Why is it scared to, like, open up the center?
This move lost. They've offered to trade pieces of equal value. This move lost the advantage, and now you stand equal.
What was I supposed to do? Is at the end of the trade, then I have a bunch. Yeah, that makes sense.
A straightforward. Well, their best. That was.
You
missed a better way to capture a pawn and win material after the follow-up trades. Taking that pawn wins material after the follow-up trades are made.
I mean, I'm not gonna.
Clear recapture.
Wait, are we? There's no way we're gonna call that a mistake. Like what?
This is a good. Good job. There was only that's nice. You decent move, but they had your opponent's this move. Oops, you gave up a bishop.
Oh my god! I blundered a bishop. Oh my god! Yo, when you're shitting the bed, bro. When you're shitting the bed. When you're shitting the bed.
This overlooks a better way to move a bishop to safety. This allows the opponent to activate the king by getting it off of the back rank. This loses a bishop.
Bro, I don't know.
This move puts the bishop on a safer square.
Yeah, you're right.
They missed it. Ouch, you left your bishop. They overlooked an opportunity. You captured very passed pawn. Your passed
Yeah,
pawn is
that was not a splendid game. I folded and threw away a bishop. Walking down that king, that carpet king. What? What? Yeah, I thought I played a little better. There was a lot of mistakes there. All right, I think I'm good. Oh, sorry. I think this video is good. I don't know. Is my YouTube title good enough? I think we're solid, dude. In English. English Ireland? No, English United States. Add subtitles? Nah. Is there like, I think there's like related content. Don't you dare leave. No, I'm still making this. Reach the broader audience by adding subtitles to your video. Add an end screen. Oh. Oh, it says OMG something went wrong. That's not good. I guess it's like practice problem. How many of those can you add? I mean, I don't know. How do I add more cards? Oh, add card. Time needed to buy tickets. That's not a true problem. Oh, okay. I'm so happy you guys don't allow me to have the same video. I'm gonna drag like. I'm gonna add practice problems galore. And these aren't all my videos. Yeah. I don't know what to do. Is this shit frozen? Yo, you're shitting me, right? You're shitting me, right? Isn't that lovely? The whole thing froze. That is... What the fuck? The whole thing froze. Okay, I get it. The multiple cards can't be the same video. So I have one card. Yo, I don't know. At least you're not frozen. Yeah, I don't know. This thing sucks. You just can't. You can't add anything. Am I like? I don't know. This doesn't work. That's kind of sad. That is kind of sad. Okay, nice. Alright, that's one. Okay, we need to add like little teasers to these problems. Practice problem here. We did that one. I'm just gonna do like 3. Okay, whatever. Public. Yippee, we posted it. Yippee, 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 yippee. Yippee, yippee, yippee. I, well, here, and then oh yeah, we finally did it. We finally did it. Wait, so we need to post this. Oh no, let me text you. Oh no, just leaked your number. Let me not do that. Why won't it post the whole thing? Why won't it post the whole thing? Okay, this is actually good. Evening? EVENING. Hold on. I just three lecture. Why won't it? Is there like is there like? I don't understand. They don't let me post. I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm so confused. Why did they only let me post like one at a time for some reason? It's kind of weird. It's a little silly. I'm not sure why it does that. Why doesn't it copy the whole thing? Like, what the fuck? Alright, whatever. We're just gonna have to split it up. Okay, whatever. Here. And here, I think that's a good message. Here. Okay, so we're done. We're done. We did it. We did it. Let's see. We did not redo the backtracking lecture. We edited it and we posted it. Posted lecture. We hosted trees lecture. Okay, we're done with that. We ran. We worked out today. We're not making any new LeetCode videos. We gotta do some Anki. Okay. I think I want to cook food next. I don't know. Should be good. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Okay, now should I go back into doing Anki? I want to eat some food. The last 27 minutes. Let me at least boil some water. I'll be right back.